Wait. Have you ever noticed small gaps between train tracks? These gaps are actually very important for safety. Train tracks are made of steel and steel expands when temperatures rise. During hot weather the metal rails can expand by several millimeters. Without these gaps the expanding rails would push against each other and could bend or warp. This problem is called track buckling and it can be dangerous for trains moving at high speed. The small gaps allow the rails to expand safely during heat and contract again when temperatures drop. So those tiny spaces between tracks help trains run safely all year long. Subscribe for more hidden facts you never noticed.